Most people are going to discover this tool 6 months too late. That's my prediction. Because right now, most creators are still talking about ChatGPT, image generators, and AI voice tools. Meanwhile, Google is quietly building something that could completely change video creation. I'm talking about Google Omni inside Gemini. And honestly, the first time I saw what it could do, I thought the videos were fake. Not because they looked bad, because they looked too good. So before everybody starts making videos with this thing, here's how I would actually use it. The first mistake most people will make is opening the tool and typing something boring. A dog running in a park. A car driving down a road. That's exactly what everyone does with a new AI video tool. And that's why everyone gets average results. What surprised me was that the quality depends heavily on the idea. The more specific the prompt, the better the result. Instead of saying a man walking, I started describing camera angles, lighting, emotions, and movement. Suddenly, the videos looked completely different. The second thing I noticed is that this isn't really a video editor. It's more like an idea machine. If you're a YouTuber, agency owner, marketer, or freelancer, the biggest opportunity isn't replacing your videos. It's creating scenes that would normally be expensive or impossible to film. Think about it. Cinematic shots, product demos, storytelling scenes, concept videos, things that would normally require locations, actors, cameras, and a budget. Now you can generate versions of those ideas in minutes. The third thing that caught me off guard was speed. Normally, when I have a video idea, there's a gap between imagining it and seeing it. With Google Omni, that gap becomes much smaller. You think of something, describe it, and suddenly you're watching a version of it. That's powerful. Now let's be realistic. This isn't going to replace filmmakers, it's not going to replace creativity, and it's definitely not going to make bad ideas go viral. But I do think it's going to change how creators prototype content. The people who win with this tool won't be the people generating random clips. They'll be the people using it to test ideas faster than everyone else. And that's why I think most people are looking at this completely wrong. The real opportunity isn't making AI videos. The real opportunity is creating content before everyone else figures out what's possible. And honestly, that's why I think Google Omni could become one of the most important creator tools of the next few years. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.